DSW has always offered a huge range of shoes at amazing prices, but we're always looking for the next great shoe discovery. Our designers work with top trainers and podiatrists to make our customers' feet happier and healthier. That's why DSW is honored to unveil the true future of footwear. Meet the Monopod. The comfortable unishoe cradles your feet together, allowing you to hop with style and ease. By combining the strength of both feet into every step, the Monopod is a revolutionary leap in orthopedic technology.
The wider base of the Monopod doubles your arch support and cushions your knees from the impact of each leap. This is not just a new design. We experts see it as a biological paradigm shift. Going back to the old two shoes method now would be like mankind choosing to walk on all fours.
With a Monopod for every occasion, DSW is there with the support you need to take on all of life's challenges. One step at a time. Hop to it, walk to it, whatever. Just shop sweet prices at DSW every day.